Yes.
I don't know what is this.
This is Zo.
Zo.
Okay, now let's write another letter.
Okay. Maybe that is the.
Good job. And now if I put the dot here, now what is this?
In the belly, it is ha.
Is this ha if I put the dot? Inside.
No,
Now this has the dot.
no, it's ha.
No. Now this has dot. When it was without dot, it was ha. But now, yes. When it has dot inside its belly, it's. And if I remove the dot and put on the top of it, now,
Ha.
yes. And if I put the dots here, now what is this?
Seen.
Good job. And if I put the dot here, now what is this?
Oh, when you put the.
Come on, let's think about it.
I think I know what it is.
You can guess.
That is dot.
Yes, very good. Well done. Okay.
I want.
And if I write this letter, can you guess what is this? Can you guess what is this?
I don't know what is this.
But it's very easy. I think if you try, you can tell me. This is something that was the last letter of our lesson.
Okay, but I don't know this letter.
That is ya.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, now I'm going to write another letter and you have to guess, and that will be your last letter.
After that,
Can you tell me what is this?
Yeah, it is dad.
And now what is this?
Lad.
Good. Well done. Very good. Okay. Okay.